In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a Dasher Direct virtual card to your Apple Pay or Apple Wallet. So here's what we want to do. First, load up the Apple Wallet itself and then click on the plus sign found in the top right corner. So from here, we'll have to choose debit or credit card because this is going to include the card itself for DoorDash or the Dasher Direct. So click on debit or credit card here. It's not going to make you, or it's not going to ask you for a bank. So I'm just going to click on add a different card at the bottom. And from this screen here, we can just click on continue. If you have your physical card as well, you can scan it. Or if you have just the virtual card from Dasher Direct, we'll click on enter card details manually. And we'll have to type out the name on the card itself, as well as the Dasher Direct card number right here. So once we have done this, we can click on next. And this is going to add our Dasher Direct virtual or physical card to our Apple Pay / Apple Wallet. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.